Why smart people fail in tech careers. Being smart is not enough. Many people in tech are intelligent. They understand concepts quickly. They learn faster than others. Yet, they still struggle. The real problem: smart people often rely on understanding, overthinking perfection instead of execution. Overthinking kills progress. They analyze too much. Is this the best way? What if I fail? Should I learn something else? Result: no action. Perfectionism slows them down. They wait for perfect knowledge, perfect timing, perfect output, but perfection delays growth. Lack of consistency: they learn in bursts, study a lot then stop, start strong, lose momentum. Without consistency, progress breaks. Avoiding real problems: they stay in courses, tutorials, theory, but avoid projects, debugging real-world challenges. The industry reality: companies don't reward how smart you are, they reward what you can build, what you can solve, what actually works. Action: overthinking, consistency over intensity, execution over perfection. The shift from knowing, doing, from thinking, building. The final take: being smart gives you potential, but execution turns it into success. Rocket